Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT 4 for free without ChatGPT Plus. Now, as you all know, ChatGPT is an AI tool that allows you to have interactive conversations and to find information on the internet. ChatGPT 4 is the advanced feature with more tools and possibilities, and if you're going to upgrade to ChatGPT 4, it's going to set you back by about $20. So today I'm going to be showing you an alternative way to access the features of ChatGPT 4 Plus without paying for it. So what you want to do is go over to a new window here. So I'm going to open bing.com. It has a wonderful AI tool that pretty much has the same features as ChatGPT 4, which is called Copilot. It's an AI tool that pretty much covers all of the functionalities of ChatGPT 4, and it's totally free. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Copilot here. As you can see, I've already signed into the page, so you might need to do that if you're logging in for the first time. So I'm just going to click on verify you're a human, and there you have it. So I can send it a message. So I'm just going to say hello, or no, probably I'll say hello, write me a short article on bees. So let's do that and see how that works. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in, and as you can see, it has written me a brief article on bees right here, just like ChatGPT. And now for the additional feature, which is interpretation of images. For example, I'm just going to click on upload image. I have this ECG electrocardiogram image here, which I'm going to be attaching to Copilot and asking it to interpret it. So here it is. I'm just going to go back and click on upload image and find it. There it is. Right. So I'm just going to type in analyze. Please analyze this electrocardiogram, and let's see how it performs that. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. And here we go, and as you can see, the image you've uploaded shows an electrocardiogram with ST elevation, etc. So with Copilot, you can be able to access the additional features that ChatGPT provides for you. Make sure to smash that like button if this video helped you, and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.